So today in this video I tried installing all the versions of Internet Explorer in Windows 11. Yes, you heard it right, in Windows 11. Internet has changed over the past few years. So today in this video we will see, can you use Internet Explorer in 2022? I would say it was quite adventurous. Also we stumbled upon really good old memories. After using Internet Explorer on Windows 11, I was truly shocked. Today in this video we will explore this all, so without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, I install all the versions of Internet Explorers. I will go for the full installation of each. And by the way, I tried installing the 1.0 version of Internet Explorer, but you know what? Windows 11 only supports the Internet Explorer 1.5 and above. So we will start from there and go until the version 9.1 of Internet Explorer. And during the process, you can make sure to hit that like, subscribe to our channel and share this with your friends. And here we go. So boom, there goes the dynamite. Here you can see here is a list of bunch of Internet Explorers, and I'll start one by one because my PC will hang if I do this simultaneously. Whoa, just check this out guys. We basically got every version of Internet Explorer that is compatible with Windows 11. And for sure it's gonna unleash that childhood memories of ours of using the old school internet. Well, Internet Explorer is not even available right now. And it doesn't come integrated in the Windows 11. Only browser it came with is Microsoft Edge. Yeah, it definitely works, but you know what, we want something extra. So why not Internet Explorer? Now playing a YouTube video might not be a big deal for today's browser like Chrome, Firefox and a Microsoft Edge. That's a totally different story with old school Internet Explorer. So there we go. Boom. Whoa, little bit of hitchhiking there, but at least we got an error. I mean, that's a great start. Well, all tech nerds can take note of this and let me know what this error is about. Honestly, I was truly shocked by the fact that this Internet Explorer 1.5 runs on Windows 11. And to create that Windows 11 vibe, let me change the wallpaper. So our next target is google.com. So let's open it up. And what do you know? Well, back in the old days, you have to type the entire URL starting from www.google.com. Whoa, is this a blue screen of death? Just take a look at that Google logo. None of the image is loading, as well as we got a X mark instead of Google logo. Well, now the question is, can I able to make any sort of a search? I'm feeling really lucky today, so I will search Windows 11. And by the way, I tried my mouse scroll wheel and it doesn't work. Instead, I need to drag my scroll bar like this and then it works. Okay, anyways, let's do the Google search. So I will search Windows 11. Oh my goodness, we got an error. It says server sent an unexpected response. In the early days of Internet Explorer, the browser didn't have any sort of additional functionality. You can see it's truly basic browser. Modern day browsers like Chrome, Firefox allows you to install lots of plugins, extensions and many more stuff. This Internet Explorer allows you to just open up the URL and that's it. Back in the old days, website used to be lightweight like a text document, and that's the reason why it says type the address of the document. Also, having access to the internet was a privilege back in the old days. Here you got a print button, so you can quickly print a document, and interesting enough, you can see there is an option to Microsoft Print to PDF, which still exists in Windows 11. That is really neat. Oh, I totally forgot, I am using Windows 11. This is a generic dialog of printing service. It's really wonderful that Internet Explorer can able to open up the print service dialog like this. Over here you got your mail button and it doesn't work. It says no MAPI provider is registered. And this button is not the next web page, it's a previous and next document. Web pages used to be so light that they are referred as documents. Websites nowadays contain so much heavy UI elements, it would be a really challenging test to test out youtube.com onto this Internet Explorer. And there you go, you can see youtube.com is not loading over here. This poor Internet Explorer couldn't even handle text properly, let alone the videos and pictures. And one of the reasons YouTube will never work over here because this Internet Explorer can't even able to open HTTPS. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol and S stands for secure. And I don't think so without HTTPS YouTube IE.com is gonna work over here. In earlier days, if you have used those dial-up connections which were pretty slower speeds like few kilobytes per second, and imagine a web page doesn't load up properly, well then you got this interrupt button really handy. With this button you can interrupt the loading of the web page. Right now I'm using 200 Mbps internet connection, so it's not a useful button to me. And this one is a home page and I don't think it is working. And this one opens up a search page, but it is grayed out, so it's not even available. Then we got the favorite. You can save your favorite URLs over here. Then there is a button to increase the font size, also to decrease it. And like that's basically it. You got copy, paste and few more options here and there. With such an old browser, setting a proxy server, I don't think this is gonna be particularly useful. We got cache settings, history. Now watch this carefully. As I open up the help tab, it opens up the help page in the Microsoft page, and it's still leading to the Microsoft support page. I mean, they haven't given you any sort of a reason that they are not helping you at all. Okay, so let's close this Internet Explorer. Well, the icon for the Internet Explorer 1.5 is a Earth, and there is a magnifier over that. So they just wanted you to search over the internet and nothing else. Talking about the next one, this is IE4 IE1. So let's try this one and we'll see what happens. Oh wow! Instantly we got error. Internet Explorer cannot open the internet site. By the way, it's go.microsoft.com. Now I will keep this browser in a windowed mode so you can enjoy the beauty of Windows 11 as well. Now wait a minute. Where is the address bar? Where can I put my URL? Like, have you seen such a browser where you can't simply put your address? Okay, maybe go into the file, new, and okay, there is an option to open a website. Oh my goodness, this is google.com in Internet Explorer. Well, the Google icon doesn't seem right to me. Whether it's flipped horizontally or vertically or both at the same time, I don't know. But at least the google.com is loading up, so that's a great thing. I hope youtube.com will also load up, so let's search for YouTube. Oh, what's this? Okay, I'm presented with the CAPTCHA to confirm that I'm not a robot. I just realized there is a YouTube link over here. And there is the same problem. It does not able to open HTTPS, and that's why the YouTube is not loading over here. But at least I can able to change the fonts of the text. So that's a great little feature over here. And what? This browser has a full screen as a feature. Oh my goodness. And does it even work on Windows 11? Well, you can see this is the full screen of the Internet Explorer and it crashed. Okay, let's move ahead and open up the Internet Explorer 5.01. So as a welcome we got an error, and well, this one can't able to render the other languages properly, so I'm getting just the squares. Let's try to head over to the youtube.com. Well, link over here does not work, so let me type in youtube.com. Whoa, at least the YouTube icon is now visible. Now I tried to open up YouTube, but it doesn't simply work. Then I tried searching the images, and finally I can able to see some images at least. But if you click onto any of element, you get these kinds of errors. And if you try to right click onto any of the images, well, nothing happens. It doesn't simply react to it. And as a bonus, if you try to full screen it, it simply crashes. So let's try Internet Explorer 6.0, and this is where I realize there is a hope to open up youtube.com. Here I clicked onto the YouTube link and something is happening, but it's still not loading up. After countless attempts of opening YouTube, finally the last version of Internet Explorer is remained to test. This is Internet Explorer 9.1, and oh my goodness, it actually looks like a proper browser now. Well, I realized that it was not Internet Explorer, but instead it is opening up Microsoft Edge. And that's a bit weird. When I click onto Internet Explorer, it simply opens up Microsoft Edge. So I opened up my settings and tried to uninstall the Microsoft Edge. But you know what? I can't able to uninstall it. That simply does not work. Oh, and top of that, I have to uninstall all of these Internet Explorers. Guys, just for the dedication of uninstalling those browsers and installing it, make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and this is Kedar signing out.